this one. Ganito ba yun? Ba this one? Nag-aaral ng mga passenger. Hello! Uwi na kaming Bulacan. Ay, ganyan. Ay, video. Video na ba? It's time to learn safety instructions.
Please be advised, ladies and gentlemen, that each passenger seated by the emergency exit shall comply with the requirements of the Civil Aviation Regulation. In the event of an emergency in which the cabin crew is not available or unable to perform his or her duty, a passenger occupying an exit may be used to assist evacuation. If you wish to be seated, please contact a cabin crew now. Thank you. In preparation for departure, please take your seats and fasten your seatbelts. Ensure that your seat backs are in upright position, armrests down, stow your tray tables, and open your window shades.
Alright? Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, is there anyone on board who lost a digital camera?
Uy.
Who lost a digital camera?
Who lost?
Digital, no? Nasa itim na pouch.
Green. Sa akin yun eh.
Ay, mahal. Cut mo muna para mamaya. Later.
Anna, who will now demonstrate the safety features of the Airbus 320 aircraft. The seatbelt. To fasten, insert fitting to buckle. To tighten, pull the loose end of the strap. To loosen, pull strap to unfasten the top of buckle and pull free and to release. The cabin is pressurized. In case of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will drop down from the panel above you. Immediately pull the mask towards you to activate oxygen flow. Put mask over your nose and mouth. Pull on the elastic band on the side to tighten and breathe normally. Remember to secure your own mask first before assisting others. Your individual life vest is found under your seat. Do not remove this unless there is an emergency. To don vest, pull vest overhead. Take the tape around your waist and fasten to buckle. Pull waist strap in an outward motion to tighten but allow room for inflation. To inflate vest, pull on down the red tabs in front. To manually inflate vest, blow into the tubes on either side or push pin inwards to release air. A water-activated light is attached in each vest. Remember to inflate your life vest outside the aircraft. Please be reminded that authorizing removal of life vest from the aircraft is a criminal offense. In case of evacuation, we have 8 emergency exits, 2 in the front, 4 by the overwing, and 2 at the rear section of the cabin. Please take a moment to locate the exit nearest you, bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. If there is smoke in the cabin, stay low and follow the path lights on the floor, and this will guide you to your nearest exit. For further information, please study the safety cards in front of you. Smoking is not allowed during the entire flight. Thank you for your cooperation.
We're taking off. We're taking off. Wait lang. Ayan, do. Mahal. Hindi eh. Wala, sagad mo. Iyan na. Reverse na lang. Kaya pa yan, hanggang paglipad. Huwag din sa magugupin sa dulo.